Causeway. Mr. Honda City. Oh, that was a close one. Oh, poor bus broke down. And I've noticed in India we do not put those reflectors, the triangle ones, to indicate that the vehicle is broken. We instead put the tree branches onto the vehicle. I think that is metaphorically, it is supposed to mean that my vehicle has turned itself into a vegetable or a tree and cannot move. I really think. See, one more. So I don't know if spotting a tree branch is more visible, or the reflectors, which has that meaning, which is designed to be visible even in the low light situation. I don't know what makes more sense, but we generally understand that if it is a tree lurking or a branch lurking over the vehicle, that means it has broken down. So, unsaid rule. See the amount of dust. The truck was sorry, I had to shut my mouth because of the dust. I did not want it to enter my mouth. So yeah, I was telling that the amount of dusting the truck was doing. It was all over the place. What are your intentions? Where you want to go? You want to go wrong side? Or you want to cross the barricade, the divider? Whatever you do, best of luck. You see this guy? Number one bullshit guy. Not indicating, both of them, not indicating and changing lanes or maneuvering. All of them. This milk van also. I don't know how difficult it is to turn on the indicator. Crash. You see how uncertain and how uneven the roads are. So there is a tarmac, there is a concrete road, then there is the fusion, then there is concrete inside tarmac. I don't know what. Every permutation combination of tarmac, concrete, dust, muck, whatever is used to build Mumbai roads. Oh shit, that was, I did not see that auto coming. Oh shit, and he was at a considerable high speed. No helmet. Helmetless guy with earphones on. Text billion. Yet another helmetless guy, and I think he also has the earphones on. It's a task riding on these roads, man. After you see, I told you, he had the tricky situation. Can't help it. Oh, it's boiling. It's boiling in here. Yes, welcome from the wrong side. Again. इतना चिपक के जाने की क्या ज़रूरत थी भाई ऑटो वाले को. Now here comes the kingdom of speed bumps, and these are so sharp that you have to reduce your speed to almost zero, and then still you feel quite a lot of a hump. That's why I say that you can consider buying a adventure motorcycle if you live in Mumbai. Yeah, phone call, more important. I thought that he was putting his phone. Yeah, he was. I can see the phone through his pocket. See again. I think this is the metallic grey one, classic. Looks really nice. See this guy, no helmet, no rear number plate, and I've noticed this quite recently that people are not putting on their rear number plate. There are many cases. So this was one of them. I don't know why. Why you do not want to put your number plate just to evade the traffic rules? I think good practice would be do not commit the do not violate the traffic rules in the first place. Now consider a situation when if the cops caught you and you do not have the number plate. So I am guessing that there would be a much bigger fine. So why to do that? See, they can stop anywhere in the road. Such huge vehicle can stop anywhere. See, this is number 2 of not having a number plate. From the left. Yeah. Putting on, coming from wrong side, putting your phone inside his helmet with a pillion. See the amount of trash which is there on the road, and surprisingly, how come the trash bins are always empty? People can throw the trash in the area but not in the bin. It pisses me off. The infamous Sakinaka signal.